Hey guys, welcome to this little video on how to spend your Yuhs. If you're watching this video, then that means you are looking for some direction on how exactly to put a command in the text box of your reward instead of just putting the command in the chat all willy-nilly, not in the correct spot. So let's give this a shot. Let me explain this to you here. So Yuhs are my channel points, and you can see the menu of my Yuhs down here underneath this send a message location. That is where it is placed at the time of this video. I have infinity because I am the owner of this channel. These are the current prices for my rewards. Some of these are custom and some of these are default, and I'll go over that in just a second. If you would like to request a song, for instance, this is currently at the time of this video one of my rewards. As of right now, this is 200 Yuhs. So if you click this, and you can even read this in this description as well, this is where you're going to put the song request command, because this way Twitch knows that you are requesting a song. Twitch doesn't actually know that you're requesting a song because my song request command, it's going through a third party. It's going through a website called Stream Elements. That's how I do my song requests. So although exclamation SR and then the link or the name of your song, that's going to tell my Stream Elements bot, that's going to tell my music bot, my song request bot, that you would like to put a song in. It won't tell Twitch that you would like to spend 200 Yuhs unless you go this direction, okay? I wish that it could go together. I wish that Twitch had their own song request type system so we didn't have to do this third party, but we do. So you have to go this direction. You're going to do exclamation SR, the name of the song you want. Or also the link to a YouTube link will work as well. Okay, so that's how it works. And it even has right in the chat that you have redeemed request song for 200 Yuhs. Twitch is telling you that. And Stream Elements is telling you, hey, I put the song in the queue for you. Okay, so that's really, really neat. It is possible to just type it right in the chat. And if you do type it right in the chat, instead of going through the Yuh channel, through the menu, it's still going to put it in there. And I'll have to go in and delete it or something like that. And it's just like a whole thing. And depending on how many times I've explained this system to you, I might even ask you to give me 800 Yuhs as punishment. So really just follow the instructions so you're not paying extra for your song requests. Okay, so I also want to that's pretty much it. If you're on desktop, that's really all you need to know. You can click on here and see what you want. And also, these prices might change as well. And this is the punishment I was talking about. If you're just like throwing commands in my chat that you're supposed to pay Yuhs for, if they're in the Yuh menu, then that means they cost Yuhs. There are some commands that are completely free. Exclamation Discord. That's fine, okay? But these cost Yuhs. And you redeem Yuhs, or you earn Yuhs by watching Twitch. By watching my channel specifically. All right, now, if you are on mobile, you need to stay tuned for this part because this gets a little hairy. I'm assuming they're going to fix this glitch very soon, but at the time that I'm making this video, and this is October 31st, 2019, at the time of this video, my custom, these right here, request song, all the gifts, they currently have this purple with this white circle. That's what they look like as at this point of the video, at this point in time. These are my custom commands. So Twitch did not come up with these. I came up with these. All right. The mobile app is not showing these right now to everybody. To a few people, they show them, but the app will not show them. So you might be watching on mobile and you might be like, oh, I really wanted to redeem my Yuhs for this Tina gift, but I can't. I'm on mobile. I don't see the option. What do I do? Well, we have a workaround here. If you can find something that's like a divisible of whatever this price is. So in this case, the Tina gift is 400. If you highlight your message 4 times, that's going to get me my Yuhs. And then at that time, you may put the command in, okay? You can put the command in for Tina. Let me show you how this is done. Let's pretend I'm on mobile right now and I would like to redeem this GIF. Actually, let's say I want to request a song because this is a lot more common for somebody to want to do. So I only need to highlight my message twice. I'm going to write something like this. I'll write I'll either write payment for song request 1, or I'll write number 1, or I'll write blank message. Something super generic, something like that. You're going to go in, you're going to do it again. Because this highlight your message, this has been showing up on mobile because Twitch has created this. Okay? So for some reason, Twitch at this time just really has not moved over to having the custom commands on there. At this point in time, once you've paid, I'll see this in chat. And then you can go ahead and type in whatever song you're looking to watch or to listen to. All right? If you just typed this in right here, if you typed in a song request without paying, if I didn't see any sort of form of payment, if it didn't say redeemed, you know, I'd get on you for that, and that wouldn't be very good, right? That wouldn't be very good. If you're cheating, it makes it not fun for everybody else who's sitting there earning their Yuhs. So we can't let that happen. All right, that I think should do it. If you have any questions at this point and still don't understand, go ahead and message a mod that's active. You can click on the user list in my channel and see who all is watching my chat and maybe send one of them a message. Also, most of my VIPs are extremely willing to also help out. So you can give that a shot too, messaging one of them. Although, you know, they're not, you know, they don't have to help. Not that the mods have to help, but anyway, they're all very sweet and very understanding. So they would explain it to you as well, most likely. I think that about does it. I guess the only other thing I wanted to mention was if you do, let's say that you just refuse, you just don't understand how Yuhs work, maybe even. Like you want to spend the Yuhs, you don't get it even after watching this video, even after mods explaining it to you. You just don't understand how to pay for these commands. And you keep putting these commands in the chat and, you know, I'm getting frustrated with you and you're just, you know, I would just at that point, maybe just don't worry about the Yuhs, okay? Just don't worry about them. Don't worry about the custom Yuhs. I mean, these default ones are a lot more simple. These that come with Twitch, you know, you can modify these. And, oh, it's just so easy. Just boom, boom, just like that, okay? So maybe just stick with those. Don't worry about the custom commands. Don't worry about song requests. Don't worry about GIFs and all those other things. If it's just totally whooshed over your head, you don't understand, that's okay. There's other ways to interact with the community. There's other ways to enjoy the content of the stream. There's other ways to hang out with us and, you know, build some friendships here in the channel besides just all the commands. That's just totally an extra thing. If you understand it and you'd like to do that, feel free. If you don't understand it, then that's okay too. Just maybe don't worry about it. Maybe it'll click one day and then you'll be able to use that. So we're just going to try to keep it, you know, smooth sailing as much as possible in the stream. So, okay, that's definitely it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.